Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set the destination towards your home if you go far away, if you're working with Uber. So this is a very easy step, and this is very flexible as well. Means if you're working whole day and you went away from your home, far away, and at the evening you want to come back to your home, and you want to Uber give you job near to your home, towards your home. So you can do this step in your app. So to do this step, you need to go to the search bar on the top right. If you can see search bar, if I'm going to show with my arrow as well, this one. So click on that, then you can see this option. So then say set destination. If I set the destination, let's say SW16, and this one, so just click on the set destination and your app is going to be on as well. So then this app will give you the job which is going towards SW16, and this is very flexible, and you're gonna enjoy this option when you're gonna set up this one. Hope so you're gonna enjoy this one, and if you still have any questions, you can write in the comments. I will try to help you guys. So I don't want to do the job at the moment, so I'm gonna go offline. And if you wanna remove your destination as well, you can. So you can see the this icon, pencil icon. If you click on that, and you can add more, as many as you can. So you're gonna have two options if you're working with Uber. So you can't do more than two. Means you can set as many as you can, but in the day, if you went far away and you want to go back to home and you set the destination, you can do, and then you can do one more time as well, but you can't do more than two in Uber. But if you're working with Bolt, you can do 4 times. Yeah, hope so this is going to be helpful for you guys. So if you have any question, you can write in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give me thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks.